How to fix the black screen issue on YouTube. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to see how you can easily fix the YouTube black screen issue on your Android device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So when you're trying to watch YouTube, you will face this black screen issue. If you're facing this, what you need to do first is open up your settings and then head over to your app management. Scroll down all the way until you find apps, and now you're just going to find YouTube right here. And once you find YouTube, what you're going to do is first tap on the force stop option, because if there is any background activity running on YouTube that is causing the issue, then it will stop right away. And then from there, you just want to head over to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed, as they are very necessary for the app to run smoothly. And then what you're going to do now is head over to the storage section and then tap on clear cache, because if there are any junk files available, it will clear them out, and those might be the possible reasons for your black screen. And after doing that, head over to mobile data usage and make sure that the allow background data usage is turned on. And once all of this is done, you can give your phone a quick restart and see if that helps. And if it's still not fixing the issue, then you can check your Google Play Store and search for YouTube. Make sure that the app is up to date. And if the app is up to date, you should be good to go. But if there is an update button available here, you can just simply update the app. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.